What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day, another dollar trade review. I am Trader Michael. Still trying to figure out my new name since I'm still pretty new into this channel. But it is Wednesday, the 24th. It is just before the market closed, almost 12:58 p.m. I am on the Pacific West Coast. So let me hop in here. I want to get a trade placed right before the market closes. I was eyeing. Let's see. I was eyeing, what was it? FXI, China large cap. Let's throw on a quick trade before the market closes, and then I'll do a review right after the bell. So let's go to the 51 dated. So I'm going to sell. I'm going to see what I can get for the 17 delta put. And maybe I want to do the 19 delta call. Let's do that. I'm a little bit more bullish than I am bearish, so I'm thinking I'd rather give myself a little bit more to the upside. So let me do 25.5. It's only 9-cent difference, so let me do this. $20.85. That's a weird strike, but it looks pretty liquid. The spread's pretty tight, so let me go ahead and ship this here. 57 cents. Let's see if we can get filled. No, we're racing against the clock here, so let's walk it down a penny. Not filled, replace, walk it down. Okay, boom, great. Before I had to do anything else. So let's see about LVS also. Las Vegas Sands, they're coming out with earnings after the bell. The other earnings are really exciting. However, I don't have enough buying power really to put on trades on these bigger names like Tesla, IBM. I can do spreads, but my account's still too small right now with my other positions. So let's see if we can get away. 53.47. Let's just go for it. We'll do a dollar wide. We got 15 seconds to go. Not filled. Let's drop it down a penny. Filled at 30 cents. Okay, so let's see what happens after the bell. I'm assuming, I have a feeling that I have a feeling that this position here might actually move past my strikes, past the 47 and 53, but I wanted to put something on to stay engaged. Ideally, no, you know what? Let's just stick with it. I was considering earlier to just put on maybe at the 46, 47 level. Either way, let's roll with it. It cost me only $70 in buying power. Worst case scenario, I just roll it out in time and widen the spread. So instead of a dollar wide spread, both sides, a dollar wide wing, I'll move it to $2, or possibly I will go undefined risk. So basically buy back the wings, sell the wings, and then just roll into a strangle. So we'll work on that. Let me see. So we got FXI. I was a little quick to jump the gun. Could have waited till tomorrow maybe just to see how the market moves, but we threw that on. If you want to see, let's put on the chart levels. So 2085. Let's see here. So we're gonna do this one here. We said 2085, and then we're gonna throw on another one. I already forgot, what did we do? 2550. $25.50, and then let's go to the daily. Look at this big up move. So big relative to where we've been before. I mean, 3% isn't huge, but in an ETF like this, it's a little big. So let's do time level so I can visualize when I put on the trade. And then, as you all know, I like to put on a GTC, good till canceled order, 50% profit. So that's about 28 cents. Ship that off. So we'll see here, IWM. I didn't make any adjustments. I think I'm going to let it sit still for now. Okay, here. So yeah, I'm happy that I've just let it sit here. Let's stick where it is with IWM. LVS, we just put on the position. I'm not going to put a working order in just because I'll most likely be in front of the computer. Save. So this one actually was giving me problems before, but you'll see here we actually came down. So we're within range here. If you'll remember, I sold the straddle. So that's this yellowish, orange, yellowish, I guess let's say, line here at the $7.50 level. So these two pink here, these two pink bars are my break evens. So we're still pretty in range. So if we close within this band here before the cycle's over, I'll make some money. So I'm looking now more so just to get out at a scratch. So after rolling, so I'm still down $103. So once the premium, the IV basically comes in, I'll be able to buy it back and hopefully scratch it. I mean, even if I lose a penny or two, but we'll see how things go. I'll probably roll it in a couple days on Friday when there's only 21 days left to go. That's what I typically do with undefined risk positions. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll wait till Monday. And then TLT, I wanted to make a move here most likely today. I wanted to roll it down, but I didn't have enough time to get in front of the computer. So we touched my break even here. I'm not as concerned because this is a defined risk position, but what we'll do most likely tomorrow is roll down the top call spread. So this call spread, I'm thinking about moving it down at least to the 98, even 97. But I don't necessarily like doing it if it's an iron condor because it gets very clunky and we have to pay more commissions. But I mean, I'm only at a $26 loss. So right now it's not a big deal. So we'll see. We'll wait till tomorrow to see how that goes. But other than that, that's pretty much what I have my eye on, guys. So my account is sitting still around $2,300. So we'll see how the next few days go. So that's it for my trade review today, guys. As always, thanks for following along. Any questions, trade ideas, any thoughts you have, throw them in the comments down below. As always, please, if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss anything I have coming out. I love learning with you guys. I hope you love learning with me. And make sure if you like this video, give me a thumbs up so I know I'm doing a great job. Until next time, guys, take care.